Hello, today we will guide you through how to join a Zoom meeting without installing Zoom. If you want to join a Zoom meeting directly from your web browser, this process is simple and convenient. It's especially useful if you don't want to download the Zoom app or if you're using a shared computer and prefer to keep everything browser-based. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. Once the Google homepage loads, click into the search bar and type Zoom. Then press Enter so you can view the search results. From the results page, click on the official Zoom website. Make sure you're selecting the main Zoom site so you can safely access the correct meeting options. After the Zoom homepage opens, look toward the top of the screen and click on Meet. This will take you to the section of the website where you can access meeting-related tools. Next, find and click Join a Meeting. This option brings you to the page where you can enter the meeting details provided by the host. In the Meeting ID field, enter the sample meeting ID shown or the meeting ID you were given for your own session. Take a moment to type it carefully, since even one incorrect digit can prevent you from joining the meeting. Before continuing, look for the checkbox that allows you to join using the browser only. Select that checkbox. This is the key part of the process because it tells Zoom that you want to join the meeting without installing the desktop application. If your browser shows any prompts asking you to open or download Zoom, you can ignore those and stay focused on the browser-only option. Once that box is checked, click Join. Zoom will then continue the sign-in or meeting entry process in your browser instead of launching an installed app. Depending on the meeting settings, you may be asked to enter your display name or complete a quick verification step before entering the meeting room. If everything was entered correctly, you should now be able to join the Zoom meeting right from your browser. For the best experience, make sure your internet connection is stable and that your browser has permission to use your microphone and camera if needed. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of joining a Zoom meeting without installing Zoom, using only your browser.